All right, let's take a quick look at the message control screen in Adjutant. Message control is the screen that's going to pop up whenever you go to print a form or a report. So let's pull up a print invoice screen. I've got an invoice number in here. Down here I have a big print button or output button, and if I click that, it will launch message control. You notice at the top it references what it's printing, invoice 37 for the company name. And the main part of the screen here, you have these large buttons at the top. It's set up to look much like a email program. So below it you have some email fields. You can send it to someone. This is the main email address for the company, so it's suggesting that. You can carbon copy and blind carbon copy. You have a subject line. The attachment format in this case is going to be PDF. That's always going to be your default. You can choose something else, Excel spreadsheet or no attachment at all. And then below that you have an HTML formatted email body. So I have a standard message here that prints when I print an invoice, but of course we can change that if we wanted to. So the large buttons at the top, we can preview the document, we can print the document using all of these email fields. We can email it. If you're set up to fax, either through an internet fax service or through a fax server, you can fax directly from here. You can just save the document as another file format. So if we just needed to save a copy of this invoice, I could save it as that. Along with your email or fax, you can attach documents. So any file that's on the network or on your computer, you can go ahead and attach. You'll see the attachments listed at the bottom. And then attach linked. If there are any documents that are linked to this record through the document vault, clicking the attach linked button will automatically attach those files for you. Okay, the again preview button, just show that, it'll give you a preview of the document. Print button, bring up a standard Windows print command here, and you can choose a printer, click OK and it will print. Email would send an email, fax would send the fax. Save as, we could save it as, in this case, a PDF. I would just choose where I want to put it, give the document a name, and click save. And that'll save it, and it'll ask you if you want to open the file. Click yes, and it would open that file there for you. And then the attach and attach linked, if you're sending an email, go ahead and attach the backup that you need, and it will send these attachments along with a PDF, and your message body will be here in the email. You can exit the screen using the close button here, using the red X. You can also press escape if you're printing multiple documents and you're looping through. Example, if I was printing multiple invoices, you can use the close/cancel button down here to cancel the loop. So if you got through 3 of maybe your 10 invoices that you were printing and you wanted to cancel out, just click that button and it will cancel the whole loop, and you can change your settings or whatever you need to do. So any of those methods work, and it'll take you directly back to wherever you printed the report or form from.